Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am super excited to share how you can start a business at zero cost using the power of artificial intelligence. Before we begin, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tips on building a smart, free business in 2025. What is a zero-cost business? A zero-cost business means you can start without spending money upfront. With today's free AI tools and resources, you can launch your ideas without heavy investments. This approach is all about using smart technology to work for you instead of spending money. How AI is changing the game, artificial intelligence is making business easier than ever. AI can help with writing, designing, managing social media, and even handling customer questions. In 2025, the power of AI is even stronger, allowing you to run tasks automatically. This means you have more time to focus on growing your business. Latest trends for 2025. Free AI tools. There are many free tools available online that help with everything from content creation to data analysis. Social media automation. AI now schedules and manages social media posts so that you can reach more people effortlessly. Virtual assistants. With AI-powered virtual assistants, you can provide round-the-clock customer support without extra costs. Personalized marketing. AI helps create messages that speak directly to your audience, making your marketing more effective. Steps to start your zero-cost business. Step 1. Find a free AI tool that matches your business idea. Step 2. Watch online tutorials to learn how to use the tool well. Step 3. Plan your idea with clear goals and a simple strategy. Step 4. Start small, test your ideas, and learn as you go. Step 5. Use social media to share your work and let AI help you schedule your posts. Many new entrepreneurs are already using AI to run their businesses without spending extra money. They use free design tools, writing assistants, and social media managers to keep their costs low and their creativity high. Their success shows that starting small with AI can lead to big opportunities. Today, we saw that starting a zero-cost business with AI is not only possible, it is the future of entrepreneurship. The trends for 2025 are here to help you work smarter, not harder. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Take action today and build your dream business using AI. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.